Investing in international real estate for dummies serves as an essential guide for those seeking to navigate the complexities of global property markets. Written by Nicholas Walwork, this book provides practical advice, actionable strategies, and clear insights into the unique challenges and opportunities of international real estate investing. It is structured to cater to both novice and experienced investors, covering foundational knowledge and advanced strategies alike. The book begins by emphasizing the importance of understanding the fundamentals of real estate investment, particularly in an international context. It highlights key principles such as researching target markets, understanding property laws, and evaluating risks specific to different countries. Walwork stresses the value of economic indicators such as GDP growth, employment rates, and currency stability as tools to gauge the attractiveness of international markets. Walwork dedicates substantial attention to property research, advocating for thorough due diligence. He outlines how to evaluate locations, analyze local rental demand, and identify lucrative investment opportunities. A major theme is the importance of partnering with reliable local professionals, such as agents, legal advisors, and property managers, who can provide essential insights and assistance. Tax implications and legal requirements are extensively covered, helping investors navigate the often complex international taxation landscape. The book explains how to minimize tax liabilities while ensuring compliance with local and international laws. Walwork also addresses currency exchange risks, offering strategies to mitigate potential financial losses. Financing options are another key focus. Walwork explores various ways to fund international real estate investments, including traditional mortgages, private lending, and leveraging existing assets. He emphasizes the need for a robust financial plan that accounts for currency fluctuations and potential hidden costs. Practical examples and case studies are peppered throughout the book, illustrating real-world scenarios and common pitfalls. These anecdotes offer invaluable lessons, showcasing the diversity of international markets and the importance of tailoring strategies to specific regions. Walwork concludes with advice on maintaining and scaling investments. He discusses property management, tenant relations, and strategies for growing a portfolio while balancing risks. The book also touches on the impact of global economic trends and how investors can adapt their approaches to remain resilient in changing markets. In summary, investing in international real estate for dummies is a comprehensive and accessible resource. It equips readers with the knowledge and tools needed to succeed in the dynamic world of global property investment, making it a must-read for anyone serious about expanding their real estate horizons.